Okay, I want to show you how to set up two of your drawing aids, your snap and your grid. Your grid area is the grid that represents the actual limits of your drawing, and I'll show you what that means here in a second. But to set these up, if you go down below your status bar here, you're going to see model, and you'll see grid, and you'll see snap. If you right click, you'll have the option for snap settings. When you click on that, you have a pop-up menu that appears. It's got most of your drawing aids here, and we're going to focus on snap and grid. You can toggle the snap on and off here by checking and unchecking the box, or you can do it while you're drawing by hitting the F9 button. And over here, your grid, you can toggle it on and off here, or while you're drawing with the F7. It's also a good practice to keep equal spacing between your X and your Y. Make sure this box is checked. If we want to change, let's go ahead and let's change our grid and our snap spacing to a half of an inch. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to put 0.5, and I'm going to tab over. When I tab, you'll see that the Y populates the same as what I entered for my X. Let's go ahead and let's change our grid spacing as well. Half inch, tab. Alright, I'm going to leave this box checked. It says display grid beyond our limits. We hit OK. When I go to zoom, I hit Z, enter all. Alright, you will notice that my page is full of my grid. That's not very useful to us when we're drawing because we can't see our limits in the model space. So if you go down, right click, snap settings, make sure that this right here is not checked, and hit OK. You will see that your grid will appear to the limits that you have set for your page.